These few days are the most important days for Anmol Gupta, a software developer by profession, but an artist by choice. He plays the character in Ram Leela in Old Delhi, which is the oldest Ram Leela of the nation's capital. Anmol likes performing his act during the 11 days of Ram Leela, when the different chapters of the Ramayana are staged every day. The good part of his day is before coming to Ram Leela ground, that's spent rehearsing. But as soon as he enters the Ram Leela venue, the whole world changes. This is the time where he enters into character, Maryada Purushottam Ram. While 5 to 6 hours of his morning and early afternoon are spent practicing, 2 to 3 hours are spent in makeup, and the remaining 2 to 3 hours of the evening for staging the final act.
लाइफ में काफ़ी चेंज आ जाता है, डे बाय डे कुछ सीखने को मिलता है राम जी के बारे में। मैं कुछ जैसे प्ले करता हूँ, कुछ देखता हूँ भाइयों से, और भरत मिलाप है जैसे कि आज, तो उससे बहुत कुछ सीखने को मिलेगा कि हम लोगों को भरत की तरह ही रहना चाहिए और राम की तरह ही रहना चाहिए। छोटा भाई भरत जैसा और बड़े भाई राम जैसा, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ें हैं जो हमें इस चीज़ से सीखने को मिलती हैं।
In Ramayana, the act of Ravan is no less important than Ram. In some aspect, it's more crucial as compared to the protagonist. It takes more effort in Ravan's makeup than for Ram. Definitely the role is such that the audience is more excited when Ravan comes on stage. After all, he does bring the element of fear. Satish Kumar from Muradabad in western Uttar Pradesh plays the part of Ravan in Ramayana. A businessman and a politician during the rest of the year, Satish Kumar dons a different hat during his Ram Leela days. He is the one who manages the Ram Leela as well as, in addition to that, playing the dark but a knowledgeable character.
अब डिजिटल एरिया में रामलीला इसका इफेक्ट कुछ कम पड़ा है मेरे हिसाब से, क्योंकि लोग पहले रामलीला को बहुत अच्छी तरह से मैं 10-12 साल पहले आता था तो लोग उसको बहुत एंजॉय भी करते थे और लोग श्रद्धा से देखते थे। बट लेकिन अब ऐसा लग नहीं रहा है कि रामलीला के प्रति ज़्यादा इतना स्नेह है। पहले मैंने देखा था यार रामलीला में भरा रहता था, कम से कम लाख पब्लिक, 50-50 हज़ार पब्लिक इसमें हमेशा रहती थी। अब ऐसा कभी मैंने देखा नहीं।
This Ram Leela ground of Delhi hosts the most of the capital's famous and largest Ram Leela that started around 2 centuries ago. It's spread over 9 acres, and the famous Ram Leela ground near Chandni Chowk can accommodate more than 1 lakh spectators. The Ram Leela organizers have also kept pace with the changing times in the age of digitization. The organizers have also made changes to attract a young crowd.
हमने यहाँ 3 सेल्फी पॉइंट बनाए हैं। पिछले साल भी हमारे 3 सेल्फी पॉइंट थे, इस बार भी 3 सेल्फी पॉइंट है, जो कि हमने बेसिकली जो हमने थीम दिया है वो अपने जो तीरंदाज हैं, जो हमारे एशियाड में सबसे ज़्यादा जिन्होंने इनाम जीता उनको दिया है, और उनके हिसाब से हमने 2 तो है तीरों अपना तीर कमान के हिसाब से बनाए 2 हमारे सेल्फी पॉइंट, और एक हमने राष्ट्र को संबोधित करते हुए अशोक स्तंभ बनाया है।
Behind the stage, the Ram and Ravan are good friends and can be seen sharing some lighter moments. But on stage, the rivalry is impressive, and that's how it's meant to be. After all, the audience has gathered to witness their on-stage fight over Sita and not the off-stage camaraderie. With Sumit Chaturvedi, Avan Dabash for ET Now.